Hi everybody and welcome to Sprinkle Time. In this video, we will be decorating more St. Patrick's Day cookies. I hope this inspires your own cookie decorating, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and let's jump right into it. This shamrock cookie will be decorated like an Irish flag. I use my scribe tool to blend both colors together to give it this kind of blended pattern. And I do the same thing with these colors too. This bow and tie will also be decorated like an Irish flag. I guess these are more like Irish pride cookies. I mainly use the colors of the flag, which is green, white, and orange. I posted a video last week, a St. Patrick's Day cookie video. It was more like colors of the rainbow. I did unicorns, I did lots of shamrocks, I did pots of gold. Actually, I'll link that in the description section below if you want to take a look at that. I think it was one of my best videos actually. For this shamrock cookie, I fill it in. I use my scribe tool to kind of blend it together, and I add some lines. And this is one of my favorite techniques. I take a fork and I just pull it through. And I do that a few times. And then I go in the opposite direction. I don't know, I find this one really satisfying to watch. Anyways, I use my tool to kind of clean up the edges. There you have it. I love adding polka dots. They're so easy, so simple, but the cookie always comes out looking beautiful. In keeping with the St. Patrick's Day / Irish Pride theme, I decorate this adorable ginger mustache. It's kind of like the Leprechaun's mustache. If you wait till the very end of my video, I decorate this really cute leprechaun, so stay tuned for that. I add some gold flakes just to cover up the messiness in the middle. I hope you guys noticed the cute pot of gold at the top right corner with the icing bags making the rainbow. I thought it was cute, so I'm just pointing it out. I can't decorate cookies without adding some kind of sprinkles, so here's just a little bit of sanding sugar to dip a few things. A fuzzy little mustache. There's something just so satisfying about watching a cookie being decorated and filled in with icing. This is sped up like 5 times, so this process is actually quite slow. Here I mix all the colors together, the colors of the Irish flag, and then I blend it with my scribe tool. It kind of gives this cool little marble-like pattern. Give it a little tap and there you have it. You can't make a St. Patrick's Day cookie without a pot of gold. And you definitely can't make an Irish themed cookie without adding some kind of beer. So here I just drew a little bit of beer on the pot of gold. If you haven't noticed, I've had a Guinness or a Guinness cup at the left side of the screen for the entire video. And here we have another Irish themed cookie. Green, white, and orange. I thought I would add another bow tie and tie, just for fun. It's a cute little swirly pattern there. Just put a bit of gold on there. Okay, here it is, the Leprechaun. I'm very excited about this one. Lucky charm. And there we have it, our ginger leprechaun. He's cute. Thank you guys so much for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Please leave a note in the comments section. Let me know what you guys would like to see more of, what you liked. I do take requests, so you can leave your requests in the comment section. And I hope to see you next week.